Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm here with some antivirus security and it is from McAfee and it's an internet security protection for PCs, smartphones and tablets. It's a 3 device, so you can use this one pack for 3 devices and it has 1 year subscription. That means it will expire in 1 year and again you have to purchase and spend the money for the PC security and all, and it's very nice, very good product. It's a top product tested and certified, it's written over here. And what else? Yeah, over here they have picked the version that's right for you. Define against virus, everything is mentioned over here, and free 24/7 365 support. That means 24/7 means in a week 24 hours and 365 days in a year. That's the main of it. And what else? Nothing. Let's open it. Let's not waste any time. So where is it? It's here. So it comes in a CD form and you need to load it on your system and then you're good to go. So friends, that's it. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. Please do share my videos so that there will be more subscribers. Thank you.